Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to be talking about WhatsApp disappearing messages, which allows you to send messages to chats which will basically disappear after 7 days. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. So to turn on this feature, you open the chat, click on the contact or group name and click on disappearing messages. Here you will see some information about the feature. It also says that even though disappearing messages may be on, someone can still screenshot the chat, so the person still has those messages on their phone. So now that disappearing messages is on, you may not like it and want to turn it off. You can do that by clicking on the notification in the chat and clicking on the off option. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something new from it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.